Before proceeding further, we must understand that there is nothing called law literature and non-law literature. Everything in front of you is a potential legal material. Your book of your favorite author is legal material, or a piece of legislation, of course, is legal material. Anything can be legal material. A script of a Bollywood movie is also a legal material. So, how to approach a piece of literature as legal material? One piece of literature may have 10,000 legal issues, but you need to prioritize legal issues according to your client's interest. However, the difficult task is how to prioritize and contextualize the emerging legal issue. Legal research has gone past the era where you have to interpret a few words according to Black's Law Dictionary and be done with it. That was the traditional method. Nowadays, you have to do data analysis, you have policy analysis trends, economics, everything form a part of a legal research. There is no specific stepwise shortcuts that I could provide, but I can help you in understanding the basic framework of how you should step by step do legal research. The purpose of legal research, and of course, the last and the most important thing is what is the importance of legal research in publishing?